my friend, welcome to my new video. I'm from Label. Today I'm going to show you how to remove all the icons here, the title here on TikTok. But all that after this short break. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me reach more and more subscribers. So you want to remove all this here, very simple, very quick trick, just by using your two finger here, just like this. Okay, and you see all the icons here are gone, the title here also. You can even speed up the video here, or you slow down the video. You can pause the video. You can also by doing the invert here like this, and you can see your icon back. Remove the icons, return back. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If that was helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, also subscribe to my channel. Goodbye, my friend. See you next time.